Hi, I'm Michael Pregill, the ambassador at Re3D in Austin, Texas. I mainly serve as our company's public outreach and education officer, but this year I'm also honored to serve as the project lead on the Gigaprize. Re3D was founded in 2013 with the main goal of providing affordable industrial 3D printers at human scale. We seek to produce quality lifetime solutions to empower anyone, anywhere, anytime in an open way. Our main product is the Gigabot, a state-of-the-art dual extruder filament 3D printer. The print envelope of the Gigabot is approximately 24 inches or 600 millimeters square. Re3D is a social enterprise. We have a strong organizational focus on partnering with individuals and groups to enable them to push the boundaries of 3D printing. This year's Gigaprize competition is the 8th giveaway we've held since 2013. For every 100 printers we sell, we give one away to a group or individual making a difference in their community. If you're interested in applying, I direct you to our website at re3d.org. Here on the site, you can access the application, see information about previous winners, and see this year's panel of judges. We're fortunate to have been able to recruit a diverse group of experts who come from a variety of different backgrounds. Our impartial judges have many years of relevant experience and expertise in industry, education, and the arts. To apply, fill out our simple questionnaire telling us about your organization and upload a 3-minute video telling us what you do with a Gigabot 4 3D printer. Your video should give us background on your organization's mission, what you'd use the Gigabot for, and the impact it would have on your community. Applications will be judged on the basis of your project's feasibility and originality, your demonstrated dedication to your mission or cause, and the potential impact on your community. The videos will be uploaded to our YouTube channel, and additional points will be awarded on the basis of views and likes, so we encourage you to publicize your video on social media when it's available on YouTube. The deadline for applications is December 9th. Good luck.